Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, How to Log In. In this video, you will learn how you can easily log into your Quoin Bank account. So without any further ado, let's get started. Jump into your default web browser and in the web search bar, you can simply type quoinbank.com. This will lead you to the official website of the Quoin Financial Bank. To get login to your account, you simply have to click on the online banking that's here in the right hand side. Click on here and the new prompt will appear where you can input your credentials. Input your account login number and your password in the designated field and simply click on login to get login to your bank account. If you haven't logged into your bank account yet, you can click on the personal enroll option to create a new Quoin Financial Bank account. Thank you for watching video. Hopefully this guide helped you to log into your bank account. If that's so, like the video, subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Any of the queries can be dropped in the comment section. See you again in another video. Till then, have a great time.